If a pattern calls for you to knit into the stitch below, what you want to do is, instead of going in through the loop that's on your needle, we're going to go into the stitch that's right below it. So you can see right here the stitch that is wrapping around the one that's on the needle. If you pull it apart, you'll see the V shape that it makes. So you can kind of follow the stitch that's on your needle down into the hole right underneath it. And then just knit like normal. Make sure when you take your needle out, you aren't picking up this bar here. There should be just one on your needle, and then you take it off. So one more time, a little faster. We see the stitch just below the one on your needle. Put your needle through and take it off your needle.